like a good goal. Vassell nearly able to chip it home. Sends that over. Powell, back now, Orgill! How about 2 for Orgill? So much patience once he got this ball. Powell pinballing around. A great return ball by Brock. Corner, Jamaica, Vassell, header, goal! Right back on top by 2. Damian Lowe soars and scores. International goal number 2 for Damian Lowe. An incredible athlete.